Shrikant. Today I will explain about generate DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, this is generate DAX function syntax. Okay, generate table 1 and table 2. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I am already prepared two tables. First table name is products and second table name is sales. Okay, now go to modeling and click new table and type here generate. Okay, once you read this, the second table expression will be evaluated for the row in the first table, returns the cross jar of the first table with this results. Okay, now press enter and next I'm adding products comma 6. Okay, close this parenthesis. Okay, let's check this DAX function. See this here. Okay, this is generate DAX function in Power BI Desktop.